Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create this perspective effect in Photoshop. We shall use vanishing point. Let's get into it. First things first, I'll expand my layers panel and I'll go and pick type tool. So I'll type some text. I'll grab my move tool and slightly move it at the bottom. I'll go to edit and choose free transform. The shortcut key is hold Ctrl+T to activate the transformation controls. So I'll move it manually and I'll proceed to the layers panel and add another layer. So I'll rename this as text. I'll go to text, I'll go back to the text I typed. I'll hold the Ctrl and click on the thumbnail. So I'll go to edit and copy, or you can just hold Ctrl+C and hide the text. Then I'll go to text layer and filter, then choose vanishing point. So I'm going to draw points where I want my text to be perspective. So you should always make sure you remain with blue grids for it to work. If you get red, that means there is something wrong with the perspective. So you have to make sure you remain with blue grids. That means you adjust until you get the blue grids. So after that, I'll just hold Ctrl+V and paste the object that I had copied. Then I'll move slightly from the top of the points, and of course it will just be pushed inside the vanishing points. So the rest I'll hold Ctrl+T to activate the transformation controls, and I'll trick until I feel satisfied. So after that, I'll go to blending modes and choose overlay. Then I'll proceed to effects and choose blending options. From blending options, I have to make sure I go to blending if, and I'll hold alternate to expand the sliders. So you hold alternate on your keyboard and use your left click, hold, and then drag to extend the sliders. And I'll click OK. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the like button if you have found this helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.